channel, guys. We've met up with Acres Lawn Care. It's been a while. Haven't done much this winter due to actually taking some time off and having some time off with the kids and the baby. So we've got Terrazza brush out. Also got this small one we're going to have a little play with. It's a Terrazza brush powered by Ego. Got two 12-amp batteries in there. So we've got a bit of a stretch down here to clean. Get bench moved, get in there cleaned. And then along here is probably the worst section. It should clean up really well here. All down here through the shed. Might be a little bit tricky with the holly. As you can see here, Alex has already done a bit of cleaning by hand. Are you ready to start, mate? Oh, he's gone. I don't know where he is. I thought I saw him round here somewhere.
Oh shit. How we doing, guys? Guys.
What's that, mate?
No, I need help moving the bench.
Oh, right.
Toilet.
One-man job.
Oh my god! Wait, what the? Oh my god! Mate, that is like... Alright, I need to just... I feel like... Why can't I... That's just like, how do you... No, surely, there must be a knack, is there?
Yeah, there is.
Alright. Literally, mate. I just don't get it. Like, I feel like I'm in control, and then all of a sudden it's just like, no. Right, I think I got this.
How to get supplies in field at lunchtime. So guys, we are getting it done here. Cleaned all up here. We have run the Terrazza TMC Pro over this bench section, so once this dries this should be really clean compared to these bits that have just been brushed. No more moss left on the paths now, as you can see. Alex has been having a little go with the small Terrazza brush for the drill here. He's just ducking and diving in there. It's a bit tight down there, mate, isn't it?
Very tight, mate. Very tight indeed. It's not working. Let's try the other one. Guys, I'm coming. Help! I told you this was a bad idea. I got you. I got you.
So, we're all brushed now. We've got, out of the two 12 amps, we've got 2 bars left on each battery. We've brushed all along there, all round the back and down the side, all along to here. I don't know where Alex is. Wild meadow, so he says. Oh, there he is.
Wow, it's all clean.
Customer's happy.
Yeah.
Not wet and sloppy, is it, mate?
No, customer's well happy, to be fair. I think it's good because it's a different service, whereas if you come in with a pressure washer, you would have had to have scraped this off anyway, and it would have splattered muck everywhere, wouldn't it? We would have been showering, like we would have had to go and get the hose out and got bikinis and stuff on. Sorry, I'm ruining this for you, mate.
Yes, we'll just have a quick walk around here, show you what we've done. Just got to blow through here. This is all brushed. All clear down here. Still waiting for this section to dry. Sun's finally getting on it. But yes guys, I know it's been a while. I will get back into the routine and the regular videos. It's just been nice having a bit of downtime at the minute. So we start back weekly work in April. So stay tuned for some more brushing and some normal gardening. As always, get any comments down below. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.